Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to flip an image on your Mac. It's a super simple process, and I'm going to walk you through a few different ways to do it. Whether you need to flip an image horizontally, vertically, or both, I've got you covered. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you're new here and want more quick tips and tricks for your Mac and other tech, be sure to subscribe to Rome Tips and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Okay, let's get started. There are actually a few different ways you can flip an image on your Mac. I'll show you the two easiest. Method 1, using Preview, the built-in way. First, let's use Preview, which comes pre-installed on every Mac. 1. Open your image *, find the image you want to flip in Finder and double-click it. It should open in Preview by default. If not, right-click on the image, select Open With, and then choose Preview. 2. Show the markup toolbar * if you don't see a toolbar at the top with editing options. Click the Show Markup Toolbar button. It looks like a little toolbox icon. 3. Find the Flip Buttons * in the markup toolbar. You'll see two buttons that look like squares with arrows inside. One is for flipping horizontally, left to right, and the other is for flipping vertically, top to bottom. 4. Flip the image *, simply click the button that corresponds to the direction you want to flip the image. Keep clicking to flip it back and forth. 5. Save the changes * to save your flipped image, go to File in the menu bar and choose Save. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command + S. If you want to keep the original and save a copy, choose File, and then Export, and give the flipped image a new name. Method 2, using Photos app. Another easy way to flip an image is using the built-in Photos app. 1. Open your image *, open the Photos app, then drag and drop your image into the app, or import using File-Import. 2. Enter Edit Mode *, double-click the image to open it, then click Edit in the top right corner. 3. Find the Crop and Adjustments tool *, look for the Crop tool, which looks like a rectangle with corners. Click on that. 4. Flip the image * in the crop options. You will see two little flip icons in the top right corner. One is to flip horizontally, and the other vertically. 5. Save the changes * when you're happy with the orientation. Click Done in the top right corner. The changes are automatically saved. So there you have it. Two easy ways to flip images on your Mac without needing any fancy software. Preview is great for a quick flip, and Photos is good if you're already using it for photo management. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And that's all for today's Rome tip. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.